We are done for today. So our training center is open. Ędo language class, option classes, after school care. We are here. Trainings and seminars, prayer section. For IFPC, we'll be having our prayers every Wednesday and house of prayer. And then we have all other denominations here. We'll have games night for kids. Teach them how to play Scrabble, different types of games. And there will be food. I've closed for the day. Glory be to God. I thank God for this center is opened and God will take control. This is another office for staff. Like if you're an instructor, if you're an instructor and you, this is the dining area for staff. And this is where we keep the playthings for the kids. And then the training center can actually take like 100 people. We have enough chairs for 100 trainees. Should we need more chairs? We still have chairs in the storage. And then we have a place to hang your coats. And we just pray that God take control. All things being well.